Hi everyone! I have an incredible new update from Genmo. It's really leveled up its text to video. Now you have more control over the motion, the zoom. You can even roll and pan, you don't want to miss it. It's so easy and free. Let's check it out. First thing you'll do is go to Genmo. The link will be in the description. Well, now you just write your prompt. I decided to go with a mysterious country house in a secluded place. Then you fiddle with its amazing features. You can choose its motion and loop. Then zoom in and out, roll and pan. Then download it. What do you think? I suggest you try it out. I did. Have a look at my other results. What do you think? I am mind blown by them. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be coming back with more exciting, easy tutorials for you. Ready to create awesome projects? Do subscribe and click on the notification button so that I can keep on bringing you these cool tools. See you on my next video. Thanks for watching.